If you want to do anything in this world and you want to do something better to the another person. Hello guys, I am Sankar Murmu and today we are going to motivating to all of you. So first of all, Jharkhandi Johar, and basically I am belong from the ST caste and I am Santhal. So there are the thousands of people will be said that you are coming from the ST, but also you are saying the English. So I am know it, but also I'm trying to motivate it in the language of English. So now we are modern time. Our going the modern time. That there are thousands of people not understanding in this world and what will we do and what can do. So I am not as a genius to the another person, but also I am the small boy and a small people. As far as the you are small people, but also I am the small people. But as far as me concerned, to everybody concerned, that according to me, all of the boys and girls mostly I will be denote the Santhali, because I am no specialist and Santhali. That's why we will be discuss on the Santhali. So guys, if you want to do anything in this world and you want to do something better to the another person, first of all you set the goal in your mind and you will decide on your opportunity and you will think in your mind the best goal and the process on your goal. What is the making for the success on this in your goal? In the same way you will be work according as far as as far as making the way for the your dreams goals. In the you will work on the systematic. Suppose you want to become the small footballers. As far as I am giving the examples, if you want to make and become footballer, so first of all doing for the footballer, so every day will be practice in ground, and every day you will be work the routine, and as far as you are making, and in the field you will be go on their places, you will be practice, and slowly your practice will be strongly, and after the most and the difficulties problem you will be face, and your practice will be make the strong, and after that you will be fired the another the department and participate. That time your work and your ambition and your hard work will be improved. That time that before you are has been work the most of and very. So on the another person and on the any field, the person should be the work hard, and this is the way, this is the key for the success. Like that example before I am giving the footballer, so now I am giving the YouTuber and YouTube on the social media. So there are the thousands of people now who want to become a YouTuber. Suppose as far as I making the video now this time, suppose I want to add a small YouTuber. So in for this we should work hard, and we should the doing the everyday systematic. So you are understanding, I hope. If you are translate, and if you will be translate my sentence, so I don't worry that you will be comment on the comment section that you are saying wrong and right. I don't care. So I hope you are understanding my language and my motive what I want to say. So, guys, I'm not saying that just the people has been mad now this time. I hope you are not understanding that. I am saying that just now this time there are the thousands of people has been become the best of best person. So you are saying that this is not easy for me. So don't worry if you are saying that this is not easy for me. So if you want to have, and if you have any talent and any brilliant mind, so according to your choice and according to your thinking, you will do. The god gifted the something is better to the another person to you on your mind. I am saying god gifted you something strongly and brilliant mind. So use it and doing something. There the one of person, there is one of one person have the one is one, the exceptions and brilliant mind. But people is giving excuses that we have not facilities and we have not supported, we are not the money, that there are the etc problem or will be saying. So also I am belongs from the normal families, but I'm not giving the excuses that our families and what you have talent and what you want to do, come off and doing something. The another person will be saying and will be talk to about you, will be say something that this boy has been magged and to the his goal. So not reaction the another person's words and not observation giving in his mind and his words. What is your goal? So now you are seeing background me. Suppose this is the everything is knowing this is the hoodoo. I think what is the what meaning of English? This is hoodoo. If you want to know, so search on Google, and if you know, so comment me what is the meaning of hoodoo, and I want to see your comment. So now not will be saying the more, and so now I'm going to ending the video. So I hope everybody will be like the more video and my video, and I hope you will be subscribe the my channel and comment share. I believe on your heart that you will be comment something and you will be subscribe and like everything. So bye bye guys now, and we will be meet next video, and tata.